In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple owners in Behance. This is particularly useful if you're working collaboratively on a project and want to ensure everyone gets the credit they deserve. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Behance website. Once you're on the Behance homepage, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials and hit the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Behance dashboard. Next, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Profile. This action will take you directly to your personal profile page where all your projects are displayed. Now, here's where we start getting into the editing part. On your profile page, you'll see all your published projects. Hover over the project to which you want to add multiple owners. When you do this, an Edit button will appear on the project thumbnail. Click on Edit to proceed to the editing interface of your project. Once you're in the project editor, glance at the top of the screen and find the Settings button. Clicking on this will open various settings options related to your project. One of these options is the Team tab, which is the next step we need to focus on. Click on Team, and this is where the magic begins. Now you're in the section where you can start adding other owners to your project. In this part of the interface, you have the possibility to search for other Behance users you want to add as owners. Simply start typing the names of your collaborators in the provided search bar. As you type, Behance will suggest users that match your input. Select the right usernames from the list that appears. Adding these collaborators as owners will give them shared access and rights to the project, making it easy for everyone involved to contribute or make changes. After you've added all the desired owners, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Update Project button, typically located at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Click on it, and any changes you've made will be saved. You've now successfully added multiple owners to your Behance project. Remember, clear communication with your team on Behance is key. Make sure everyone is aware of their new roles and responsibilities to make collaboration smooth and enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.